Okay, Sunday, July 1st, lunchtime, pretty much everything's done. Let's get a AMC math problem. What is the problem? Take a look. AMC8 2019 problem number 24. What is the problem? You got a triangle. This A, B, C. You got a D here, which is AD, DC, 1 to 2. AD, DC, 1 to 2. Connect them together. You got BD, and pick the midpoint of BD. Connect over. This is E, this is F. BE, you got ED. And we know triangle ABC, the area. Ask triangle BEF. BEF. So, hint, right? ADDC 1 to 2. That tell you that you can easily calculate the ratio of the area ABD versus BCD. Total is 260. So this ABD, BCD, they altogether they are 760. And because AD, DC 1 to 2, so naturally ABD will take 1/3 of the 360, which is 120. And BCD will take the remaining 250. We're not getting to solve the problem yet, but just try to kind of leverage whatever we know to find some facts that may eventually help us solve the problem. So we got this 2 here. Okay. Now we use this, right? ADDC 1 to 2, that part we used. BE equals ED. E is the midpoint of BD. That we have not used that condition yet. So apparently that should be used. How are we going to use it? Let's think. So BE equals ED. That means if you look at ABD, this small triangle here, BE equals ED. Isn't that ABE, AED each take half of the ABD, right? So naturally ABE, AED, 60. 60, 60. Okay. Now, we get this small piece, we get this small piece, we get this, but we need this part. This part. Now, when you think about it, how are you going to get this? Well, I already know ABE, which is 60. And if I can find out ABF, I can just minus 60, I'll get BF. So, I want to think how I can get ABF. How? This is a big triangle. And the base BC here, there's an F here. So if I know BF, FC, if I know this, BF, FC ratio, I can use that to deduce ABF. Then I'm done. So question is, how are you going to get BFFC? BFFC here. Okay, how are you going to BFC here? Now, if I draw C here, just in case, I'm looking to BCD here, right? It's the same deal with ABD because E is the midpoint. So I know this, I know this, I know this, BEC, I know CED. They're half of BCD. So I know this 120, I know BEC is also 120. They both are half of the 240 here. So I know a little bit more here, right? All these things are here, but my key thing is here. So I want to know BFFC. BFFC. Okay. So if you think about it, what if you want to get, let me just write on the small area first. 60, 60, this is 120, and the remaining part is also 120. So 60, 60, 120, 120. So that total like 360 here. Okay. Let's ask this question. What is ABE AEC? Let me write down here. This two. ABE AEC. Well, you already know this ratio, which is AEC is, okay, ABE AEC. You already know this. But how can I use this? I claim BFFC equals area of ABE versus area AEC. BFFC equals the area of ABE versus AEC. That sounds like very obvious, but let me explain to you. Think, how are you going to calculate ABE, the ratio of AB and AEC? They're on the same base, which is AE. They're on the same base. Now when you calculate, right, you draw from B, you draw a perpendicular. From C, you draw a perpendicular, right? You calculate ABE by using AE as the base and got this. You calculate AEC by using AE as the base and you use this height here. So they're the same base. So these two heights are of the area ratio. And you look at these two heights here, from B to AE, from C to AE. Isn't that, let me draw this part a little bit clear using my very nice color pencil from Zurich. Very nice pencil here. Okay, now look at this area. BFFC. This two triangle here, like this and this. They're small triangles, but isn't that they are similar triangles Why? Because they are right triangles, and they already have one angle the same, so they are similar right triangles. That means BF FC equals this height, this height. So this is true. So BF FC 1 3. Okay, so right, ABF 90. So BEF here. What is the most critical piece or step in solving this problem? I think that is to realize that if you draw C against AE as a height, also you draw B against AE for a height, the ratio of the height represents the ratio of BF FC. With that, you deduce this thing here. Okay, let's solve the problem. There are other ways to solve the problem, but I feel like this is probably a very easy way to solve this problem. Just in case people are interested, and start to picking up this book, Red Horizons. It's a true story of Nicholas and Lena Ceausescu's Crime, Lifestyle, and Corruption by Lieutenant General Ion Mihai Pasekpa. For kids who don't know history, I'm not going to go deep into this, but this is about communism and dictators. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.